In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a search bar typing animation in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Create a new frame to work on, which will act as your canvas. Inside that frame, draw a simple rectangle to become the search bar. Resize it to a comfortable width, recolor it to match your design system, and add a subtle stroke, so it reads clearly against the background. A tiny corner radius can help it feel more like a familiar search field. Place it where you want the search to live in your layout. Next, open the Assets panel and search for a search icon. Drag the icon into the frame and position it inside the rectangle. Typically align to the left with some padding. Make sure it's visually centered vertically. Select the entire search bar frame and turn it into a component. Then add a variant so you have two states to work with. One for the default look and one for the active typing state. This will let us switch between them in prototype mode. Add a text layer inside the search bar that says something like "search for." This is your placeholder text and will become the layer we animate. Now open your plugins by pressing Ctrl and the / key. Type Typist, then open the Typist plugin. Select the text layer you just created. In Typist, set the typing speed so it feels natural, not too fast, not too slow. If T here is a character or cursor option. Choose the style that fits your UI. When you are happy with the settings, click Create Component in the plugin. This will generate an animated typing text component for you. Return to the Assets panel, locate the new text component created by Typist, and drag it into the active variant of your search bar. Position it where the placeholder text was so it types in the right place. Switch to the Prototype tab. Select the search icon inside the default variant and create an interaction. Set the trigger to on-click, the action to change to variant, and the animation to instant. This makes the bar immediately flip to the active variant where the Typist component will run its typing animation. To test, draw a fresh frame. Go back to the Assets panel and drag your search bar component onto the canvas. Click Present to preview. When you click the search icon, you'll see the typing animation play right inside the bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching.